Give us a go?
No, I tried to give it a go. We're in.
That's so bad.
Trust the jump.
I'm doing a mix between Donald Duck and Marge Simpson.
What else was there? A homie.
He's like, oh. You just like the weird coffee thing? Oh, yeah.
Well, that's definitely the opening. I found a list of interesting things. Welcome to the Clarksville caves. I'm stuck. Ugh. Holy sh**. Oh, this is gonna be an exciting trip back up.
Yes, it will.
Look at the ceiling, guys.
Oh my god. It's so weird to see such a flat rock hanging above you.
The right leads to something. I don't know if it's just water.
There is a stream running out the right side of the
I'm gonna go check it out down here before we go up there. I don't know how well this is going to come out on video. I don't even know if you can hear me talking right now. The stream extends way up there. That's very narrow. I might be a chubby Tom.
Yeah, please do.
Let's give it a go. I'm gonna give it a go.
You want me to hold anything second?
Here we go. Crawling forward.
It's intimidating to look at. Once you start going through, it really isn't that bad.
Oh.
You gonna be able to fit there?
I don't know. Okay, here we go. For those of you watching at home, I am a chubby boy. I'm not fat anymore, but I still got some Tom on me. Yeah, I've got probably a good 4 inches of clearance above me. Say again? I would expect so, yeah.
We'll be able to crawl back through.
Yeah.
It'll actually be easier because we'll be going up instead of diving in.
Yeah.
Yeah, the angle looks horrifying.
Yeah, there's a crouchable area like 4 feet in. I say 4 feet, probably more like 2 yards.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, this is worse.
Think it's worse?
No. I'm doing it with just my red light now.
Oh.
And just like for the feedback around the area, like goes to and walks around the ground.
Look at the river. It's a nice reference point to remind yourself, you know. That means it's anxiety.
Yeah, I can only imagine how easy it is to get lost down here.
Yeah. Well, yes and no. Like, because you have the river, it's super. You have one point that says this is the entrance.
Yeah, and in worst case scenario, you can splash right down it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. That's why
Hey,
it's nice to explore that single first and know exactly your bearings there.
Are on level lower ground, no matter what I'm walking.
I like this person.
It's crazy.
This person's awesome.
This is so incredible. I never would have expected it to be like this. Tom, you're gonna love this. Russian water, calm water.
Oh, point your light over here.
My shoes just are slipping, so it's
Freaking cool, look at those little coves. I bet if you were small enough, you could get up and in through that little opening there.
If you were a dog or a cat
Or a baby.
or a baby. Yeah, send your baby up in the cave.
I feel like that's prime parenting right there.
You know that picture? There's a famous picture of two rock climbers throwing their baby across a cliff.
Whoa. I don't even like thinking about those words.
That's hilarious. That's the exact type of stuff I would go for.
It's very slippery right here. That is one of the main goals of our adventures. We pick up all the stupid shit that stupid people leave.
I mean, the glow lights, I get no problem, but... LNT, baby. What does that say there?
So right on the left end of my circle of the circle of my light, the one that's moving right now. What do those look like to you, Sean?
It's like teeth.
Those do look a lot like teeth. They're not teeth.
I've heard a lot of analogies talking about caves swallowing people whole.
That's the worst thing I've ever seen.
Hey Tom, this is the most horrifying thing.
I don't. Oh my god.
It opens up.
I don't know about this one, my dude.
It's insane how fucking human shit this hole is. That's what's so
Oh, god damn that arm strength training. Hell yes.
right in the basement on the ground. Excellent work, Tom. Now go back up.
So, I think our best bet's gonna follow the rushing water.
Okay.
Because yeah, I can barely see
Look at this thing. Don't leave your glow sticks around. Don't leave your glow sticks around.
Thank you. See that pathway?
Yeah, this is probably where that other one looks like.
Yo, look at this crack above us. Ah!
Honestly, that pathway, really cool. I got to the point where I was like this in it now, and I couldn't move anymore.
You're a fair bit thinner than me. I think I might have a little bit of trouble.
Yeah, I was like, oh man, can't go this way. Also, like, I don't think it went anywhere.
Okay.
If it did, good.
We going this way?
I guess.
I mean, is this the one that you were talking about narrows out?
No, that was the path that we were going to go on.
Me too. Neither can I. This is beyond amazing.
And you had that connection. Yeah. We wouldn't have come here without you. I can lay my coat across the stream and we can walk on that.
Do we have any big rocks we can throw in? Like, Chelsea, can you grab that big rock and we can toss it in the middle here?
Are we just gonna throw it up ahead?
Oh. Oh. Looks like a path to me. Yeah. You got this. Cool. Let's go.
All right, let me make sure that stays through the phone.
Sean, would you like me to try to throw a rock under your feet? That's a beautiful poise, bud. Oh.
Yes. Then you got a nice path here.
Yeah, this one right here.
Oh, step right above. Classic.
All right, this rock hopping is the most fun I've ever had.
Yes. You see that thing about this place seeming like it's unbelievably accommodating? We don't have to go through this and say
Oh, thanks. This is a great one.
Oh, this is a good point for no light, too.
Yeah. That's a really fun climb. Did you guys hear that? Do that again? That sounds like calling from very far away. Do it one more time. That's insane! Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me. I gotta bring Zeb back here. Oh, look, there's another one of those cracks. I think that this is a crack that happened, and then it sealed back up.
You got the same thing right here.
That's so cool.
Solid.
I don't like that we're just seeing random pieces of string.
It's someone's tracking their way.
Yeah, someone's lost. And the string person went this direction, so.
Yeah, I hope they're not lost anymore.
We find it. You know, we're not gonna think about it. Oh my God.
This? Or that up there? Whoa. The bathtub. Sick.
It was bathtub or bath house or something. Welcome to the bathtub. I so want to sit right up there.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Go do it, man.
I'm gonna do it. It's so. No, I'm saying that is shockingly deep. Okay.
Yeah, that's what, probably 4 or 5 feet at its deepest. Something like that.
No. I don't know.
Yeah, just pop yourself up there. That is a king seat right there.
Yes.
Nice.
Specifically that.
It's so like clean and blue.
It's crazy to me that the only movement is from the constant drops.
But I just want to see if I can get up there.
I think you can.
Yeah.
I cannot tell you how much I love this right here. This is like a fountain you find in a restaurant. If you look back, it's like behind it after you're sitting on too, I'm pretty sure the cave continues. Yeah. But I wasn't impressed. I was like, oh, this is a good point.
Yeah, this is a good site.
Yeah.
This is a good landmark to turn around at.
I was almost at the point where in my head I was like, oh, we're not gonna find it.
Hi, this is Tom from the future. So, as always happens on adventures like these, my GoPro ran out of batteries, so I didn't get to record a scary outro like my scary intro. This has been Clarksville Cave. It's a cave system up near Albany. It was terrifying and exhilarating, and it got my heart rate up like nothing else has in a long time. It's huge, and we by no means explored all of it in our 4 hours or so. So I want you to subscribe to stay up to date on all the most interesting things, including all of our future spelunking efforts. And until next time, be like the Clarksville Caves. Huge and scary. Imposing, but never suffocating. And above all, be interesting. See you next time.
Okay, we made it back to the surface. Chelsea's here. Alex and Sarah up there. Sean's there. Sean, be funny. Cut!
Would it be like deposits of things that are going to become dripping stalagmites?
Maybe.
Oh god, I said the wrong one on your YouTube video. I'm gonna be killed.
I think this is a beautiful place for rock skipping.
Yeah.
What has it got in its nasty little packages?